For an agricultural family, a sudden medical emergency is a dual threat. You face the immediate physical danger, and right behind it, the financial drain that forces families into deep debt or requires them to sell off their land just to cover hospital bills. To counter this specific risk, the government of Odisha introduced the Biju Krushak Kalyan Yojana, or BKKY. This is a targeted health and accident insurance program built to protect farmers. The objective of this guide is straightforward: get your household enrolled and secure an active BKKY health insurance card. The entire cost of registration and card issuance is zero. The government subsidizes the bulk of the insurance premium, completely removing the financial burden of applying. Before you can begin the application process, you need to gather the physical documents required to prove your eligibility. First, you must have the official Aadhaar card belonging to the primary farmer of the household. Second, you must provide proof of your agricultural status. This can be your official Krushak card, or if you do not have that, a formal copy of your land registry. Securing these exact identity and land documents right from the start ensures your application won't stall out or get rejected for missing paperwork later on. With your physical documents in hand, the next phase is establishing your digital footprint in the state system. Step 1 is mandatory registration. You need to create and update your profile on the Krushak Odisha portal. You have two options to complete this. You can access the online website yourself, or you can visit a government-authorized common service center for assistance. Once on the portal, navigate to the registration section and input your exact farmer identification details to generate your profile. The priority here is accuracy. Every piece of digital data you enter must match your physical documents perfectly. Completing this registration places you in the state database, officially flagging you as a legitimate candidate for the health scheme. Now that your digital profile is established, you move to the physical submission phase. Step 2 requires an in-person visit to your local block development office. Upon arrival, you will request the official health insurance application form, fill it out completely, and prepare it for submission. You must hand over this completed form paired directly with the copies of the Aadhaar card and the Krushak or land registry documents you gathered earlier. During this stage, you may encounter private agents demanding an expedition fee to speed up your approval. Do not pay them. The system simply does not allow for paid acceleration. Rely only on official block officials or authorized common service centers. By submitting your paperwork directly through the correct channels, you bypass scammers and guarantee your application enters the secure government queue. After submission, there is a standard administrative waiting period. Officials will review your physical paperwork and cross-reference it against the digital profile you built on the Krushak Odisha portal. Once the details are verified and aligned, the government grants formal approval to eligible farmers. Step 3 is the final output of this entire process. You are issued your physical BKKY health insurance card. This card requires no further activation. It is primed for immediate deployment the moment you receive it. Securing this specific piece of plastic transforms a theoretical government policy into an active, practical shield for your household. If a medical emergency happens, presenting this card at a participating hospital grants you access to comprehensive cashless hospitalization and medical treatments. Beyond medical expenses, the card provides financial benefits for accidental death or permanent disability. The government has impaneled a broad network of public and private hospitals that accept it. This includes local community health centers, ensuring immediate access to care. With hospital bills and accident recovery covered, a sudden illness no longer requires a family to liquidate their agricultural assets to survive. By eliminating the burden of catastrophic medical debt, the BKKY scheme protects the long-term financial stability of Odisha's agricultural families.